Markets are never wrong, opinions often are. This is a very famous quote by Jesse Livermore, and I believe this is something which it could not have been any more truer. Hey everyone, welcome back to Your Nifty Guy. In today's video, I'll walk you through the current market structure, highlight key levels, and share my trade plan for tomorrow. My goal to simplify Nifty trading so you can trade with clarity and confidence. If you are enjoying the content or it is adding value to your trading in any way, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, share it with your trading friends or communities that you might be a part of, as well as comment down anything that you might have to say in the comments box, be it feedback, be it criticism, anything. I am open to everything. It really helps the channel grow. So now let's dive straight into the charts. And again, as usual, the video will be divided into two parts. First, we will be analyzing what played out into the markets versus what we had planned for today. And then we'll be diving deep into the plan for tomorrow. Today, I did not take any trades. The reason was my dad had an eye surgery scheduled, which completely skipped my mind. So I started observing the markets in the at the start of the day, and then the reminder went off that in the second half, I had to take him for a minor eye surgery to a hospital very close to our house. So I was active in the morning, but then again, nothing actually happened in the morning. Markets opened flat, which in my opinion was a very good opening. And I wanted this level to be taken out, which was previous day high. And price action around here could have given a very good trade in the morning. But markets immediately went down. And because of no setup, again, we follow our rules very, uh, with much very disciplined in a very disciplined way, and that was the reason why no short trades could have been taken around here. Post this, I left my home at around 11, and that is when I was observing the markets around here. Now, I had spoken about the double bottom or the W formation, which is a very good reversal setup, and that was the only single trade which was going on in the market, which actually not going on in the market, but something which happened as per our setup that we planned. And the entry was around 12, this particular candle, the 12-10 candle, which is there. Now, many people might be thinking that, okay, there might have been entry here as well, right? On the 11-10 candle, there could have been an entry, but I will just try to clearly explain the structure because everything is structure driven, right? Markets did went up, came down. Now, this was just an internal price action because there was a bigger swing which was actually waiting. So we had to wait for this particular high to be taken out to enter. So that is the reason we could not have entered on this particular breakout. So if you can see, this internal swings are without any clear market structure, which is the sign of a sideways market, which today was an extremely sideways market. And the only trade that could have been done as per the setup that we follow, or the reversal setup, was around the breakout of this, which again would have been a cost to cost exit or minor stop loss in case if I would have taken it. And then again, the same setup also happened at the end of the day. If I would have been trading, I would not still have not taken this particular trade because I don't take any fresh new trades post 2:30 to 45 p.m. So again, no trading day for me. But then again, in case if I would have been trading, this one particular trade would have been either a cost to cost trade or a small stop loss trade. Now, why exactly am I saying this? Because I had not been observing the options chart, and I'll not be able to exactly tell what happened on the options chart. What was the VIX like during that period of time? Overall, VIX fell down 2% today again. Okay. So as expected, today was again a sideways day. I had clearly been telling you guys that okay, we can expect some sideways momentum. And as you can see, this is the second day of inside. Again, today is inside bar again as well. Yesterday was inside bar, and today is again an inside bar inside yesterday's inside bar. So we are into this major range of consolidation, and we are consolidating in the first August candle, right? Within the high and low of the first August candle. So that candle high and low will again be of key importance to us. If we are to make the simple trading plan for tomorrow, I'll keep the video very short today. So we will be deleting this. Again, we had a plan to go short below this with a pullback. Again, the pullback did come in, but again, the low was not taken out. So we did not take any. No short entry could have been planned as well, right? No new low has been made. So this level still holds for us. I will be looking for signs of weakness around here. Again, it will be a kind of confluence trading with the upper end of the parallel channel in which the price is moving around. Also confluencing or coinciding with the fib level that we have. Today's low, below today's low, we are looking for a short trade. Now, above this particular high, we can plan for a long trade. This will be roughly above the 50% zone of today's entire fall, which had come down. Market has again gone sideways, formed a base. So in case if we move up above this, this is where I can plan a short long entry. Sorry, not a short, a small long entry. Don't be get confused by the term short. We can plan a small long entry above this particular high with targets being around yesterday's high or around these levels, right? Because this is the level which I am expecting the market to take some fresh resistance at, and this is the level where we'll need to look at price action very, very closely. Again, as I said, this is the first August low, which is very, very important, even if not tomorrow. Say, for example, tomorrow again we are within this range, we don't break this either the high or the low, and then again if we break down below this particular range, we will definitely be short. So yes, this will be the simple and short, sweet game plan for tomorrow. And again, tomorrow is Wednesday. Word of caution, regular word of caution from my side. If you are into trading Nifty and if you are into option buying and you trade the weekly options of Nifty, please make sure to shift to the next week's expiry options from tomorrow. I do the same thing personally on expiry as well as expiry minus 1 day. I shift my entire trading to the next week's option, the next week's expiry. I might be paying a slightly higher premium for my positions, but it saves me from a lot of decay in case the market goes sideways and not does not go in my direction with a momentum. So that is something which is I suggest and advise everybody to do. In case if you are trading Nifty options and are into options buying, please shift to the next week's expiry. Uh, you will thank me later for that. Just try to do it for a couple of expiries, and you will see the difference into trading in the current week expiry as well as the next week's expiry options. So yeah, that's it from my side for today. I will see you guys again tomorrow post the market, and we'll make a plan for the weekly expiry, August first week expiry. And till then, stay safe, trade carefully. And yes, I am expecting markets to still be a bit sideways. So yes, protect your capital. That is something which is very, very important. All right. Again, I also see this particular because I was not active in the market. This kind of triangle consolidation. So yes, very beautifully we are, in case we are going back below this swing, we are also going down below this triangle consolidation and up above here. Okay, we can also take this trade around here, or else we can wait for the triangle consolidation to be broken out, and then with a pullback we can take a long trade. So that is something which I'll leave to individual traders as per their trading style. If you are aggressive, you can take an early entry after the swing. If you are a defensive trader, you can wait for this particular trend line to be broken, and then with a pullback you can take a trade. So yeah, this is it from my side for today. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys again tomorrow post the market. This is your Nifty Guy signing off for today. Thank you so much for watching.